Next, in JavaScript, we are going to do arithmetic operations. So here we are creating file. I'm naming it as 9.html. So this is our HTML file, and one more file we are creating in same folder, 9.js. This is our JavaScript file. So we have created two files, 9.html and 9.js. So arithmetic operation in JavaScript, we can do it in same way as we were doing in C, CPP, Java, like that. So this is our basic HTML code, and here this is our HTML file 9.html. We have to do linking of this file to 9.js. So script source equals to, here within double quotes we have to mention that file 9.js. So here we have done linking, which is in 9.html, and in 9.js here we are declaring variable. Let a equals to, I'm initializing this variable a with value 10. Let b equals to, I'm giving it value 20. Now let c equals to, I'm doing addition. So a plus b, this is going to add the value of a and b, and whatever will be value will go to variable c. Now we have to print it, so we can print it on our document as well as on our console. So right now I'm doing console.log, and here I'm giving message value of c equals to, and here we have to put comma, and addition is in variable c, so we have to put that variable, put semicolon, save it. Now as we haven't printed anything on our document, so it is not showing anything here. Right click on it, go to inspect, and here on console we can see that it has given us the value of c equals to 30, because we have done console.log. Now here this was our addition. Same way we can do subtraction. Let c equals to a minus b. This is going to subtract b from a, that is value will be negative. So here we can see that we have got minus 10. Similarly, multiplication should be 200. Then here we are going to divide. Here I'm doing b divided by a. Is going to give us quotient, and here we are putting modulus. Modulus give remainder. Better to do b divided by a. Sorry, b modulus a. So it has given remainder as 0. So this way we can do arithmetic operations in JavaScript.